Hello, this is Sido Boy saying hello to my fans. I wanted to answer a little post I found in Facebook about using filthy language while he or she is educated. When we look at the educational system of a country, people can spend 12 to 15 years in school and university, and yet some of them can't have any good communication skills. I mean, they ain't persuade the idea in a good manner. And education is the only way out of darkness, is the only way out of ignorance, and is the only way to the glorious light. So we need to equip individuals and help each other on a basic good manner education. Not at all. Some, only some. It is because they are not receiving the actual education and they need. That's what we need to defeat in the near future. So our struggle will always be in this area while people are absorbing education and skills in a different manner. This Tito boy, please, your comment is important. Say something.